Welcome to the Home Suite video series. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to reset your password and log into the CRM. There are two ways to get into the CRM login page. The first is simply by entering kansascityhomes.com/backend/login into your browser's URL address bar and hitting enter. This takes you directly to the login page. The second way is to go to KCH Agent, click Marketing on the navigation bar, then mouse down and click on Home Suite CRM. Once you're on the login page, the first thing you need to do is reset your password. To do this, click Forgot Your Password in the upper right-hand corner. When prompted, enter your username, which is your Kansas City Homes email address, then click Send. You'll see a message telling you that password instructions have been sent to your email account. Switch over to your email program and look for a message from Lead Manager and open it. In the email will be a link to reset your password. Go ahead and click it to reset your password. Enter your new password twice and click Submit. Your password has been reset and you are now logged into the CRM dashboard. While we're here, let's go ahead and get briefly acquainted with the different sections of the CRM. First is the dashboard, which you just logged into. This is where you'll view all recent activity and incoming leads. Next is the CRM tool itself, where you manage leads, campaigns, groups, and action plans. The Companies section is where you can search for agents, edit your Real Satisfied feed, and view reports. The Settings section is where you can view tracking codes and integrations such as Zillow. Finally, the Content section is where you go to edit your website. You'll learn more about each of these sections in later videos. Thanks for taking the time to watch part 1 of Home Suite video tutorials. If you have additional questions about logging in or resetting your password, please contact HomeSuite@kansascityhomes.com.